Friends, today we are learning about historical places of India and where it is located.
Can I start essentially?
Yes.
Taj Mahal,
Agra, Uttar Pradesh.
Hava Mahal,
Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Gateway of India,
Mumbai, Maharashtra.
Charminar,
Hyderabad, Telangana.
Victoria Memorial,
Kolkata, West Bengal.
Agra Port,
Agra, Uttar Pradesh.
Konark Sun Temple,
Konark, Odisha.
Red Fort,
Delhi.
Rashtrapati Bhavan,
New Delhi.
Qutub Minar,
New Delhi.
Old Port,
New Delhi.
Humayun Tomb,
New Delhi.
Sanchi Stupa,
सांची मध्य प्रदेश.
Jamma Masjid,
न्यू दिल्ली.
Makkah Masjid,
हैदराबाद, तेलंगाना.
Mysore Palace.
मैसूर, कर्नाटका.
Very good.
Like, share, subscribe. Bye friends.